I hope that you are not only gaining knowledge without application. Patience, discipline, and education without application is what I call investing fantasy. Here at 5210 Wireless Seats, we want you to demonstrate real-world application of the tools we provide. 5210 Wireless Seats will ensure you understand that education makes you independent. The goal is not for you to rely on someone else's calls. The goal is for you to think for yourself. Education gives you the confidence to trust your analysis, the skill to evaluate risk, provide clarity to stay aligned with your long-term plan. When you understand the game, you stop reacting to it.
Or get the book called The Long Game, A Successful Investing Strategy by Leon Ogu from Amazon.